Hi everybody, welcome back to my channel. I hope you're all doing okay. I've got another unboxing video for January to share with you, and it is Roccabox. This is the box it comes in. As always, if you're new to Roccabox, I'll just give you a quick lowdown telling you all about it. But if you've seen it all before and you're just curious and seeing what's inside this January box, then you will find a timestamp down below in the comments, so you're free to flick forward. Roccabox is a UK monthly beauty box. It costs £10 a box and £3.95 shipping, and inside contains between 5 to 7 beauty treats a month. You can offer a monthly rolling subscription, which you can cancel any month, and they also offer a 3, 6 and 12 month subscription. The reason you're seeing it a little bit earlier than normal is because this is a PR box, and Roccabox kindly send them to me for free in exchange for showing you and telling you all about it on my channel. They have also given me a 20% off your first box code as well, so you'll see it on the screen, but I'll also pop it down below in the description, as well as links to the subscription. So underneath this video you'll see show more or a downward arrow. If you were to click that, that will bring up my description and everything will be listed down there. So as well as their monthly beauty box, they also do mystery boxes for £10, and I believe they have had a post-Christmas £5 mystery box offer. If that's still going, I'll pop it down in my description. And now and again they release limited edition boxes as well. So I think that's it as far as information goes. If there's anything I've missed out, I will let you know. But let's get on to open this up and show me what's inside. We got a little card here and it tells you everything about the products and also the price, so I'll give you an overall value at the end, and it gives you a little message from Roccabox as well, so I'll read that to you in a minute. There. I'll go through them one by one, showing you in detail. So going back to the leaflet, it says, Happy New Year, Roccababes. We're kicking off 2021 with a box that will have you hurtling into the year, feeling like the best version of yourself. Let's face it, 2020 was a tough one for everyone, and if, like us, it's left you feeling rearing for a fresh start, but in need of a little push to get things going, then our January Go Girl box is your tonic. We've packed it full of products that will reinvigorate your body, repair your skin, elevate your routine, and nourish your soul. We all need a little bit of a boost right now, and here's yours. You've definitely earned it, love, Tia. So starting with their hero product of the month, we've got, where is it? We've got a Doctor's Formula Overnight Repairing Serum. Is Doctor's Formula the brand that has the gorgeous but excessive packaging? I had a night cream and I think I also had a day cream as well in my advent calendars, which I still need to go through. But yeah, I'm sure that is Doctor's Formula, which is quite a pricey brand. I'll find out now. Anyway, blabbing aside, 30 mils here, and it says apply a pea-sized amount in gentle circular motions onto the skin every morning and evening after cleansing, toning and exfoliating. So this is part of their repairing range by the looks of it. Let's give it a go on my hand. Oh, it feels really nice. Yeah, it feels really lovely. Gorgeous scent. Gorgeous scent. It's like fruity smell. Okay, what else can I tell you about it? So the recommended retail price for the serum is £89. It says, if you've been wondering what makes probiotics the skincare ingredient of the moment, this Ultra Luxe serum will give you a good idea. Responsible for repairing damage, boosting the skin's defences against free radicals and pollution, and fighting acne-forming bacteria, the probiotics in this potent serum can renew and repair pretty much any skin complaint. The addition of exfoliating extracts and intensely hydrating ingredients make this a truly transformative skincare treatment. It sounds amazing, doesn't it? Now I am drawn to this. This looks absolutely beautiful. What is this? Sheer Bliss Skin Body Butter in Cherry Bomb. Look at that. Oh my word, look. Look at that. Oh, that is so nice. Oh, like a cherry bakewell. That is so nice. Look at that. Can I put my finger in it? A nail. Like my nails going in. Oh, okay. Oh, that feels so lovely. Oh my gosh. Do you love watching those weird sensory videos? I do. I love them. It smells so nice. The recommended retail price for this body butter is £2.99. It says, we aren't sure whether it's a delicious whipped cream texture, the skin quenching butter formula, or the scrumptious lingering smell that makes this nourishing body butter so damn addictive, but just slathering it onto our dry winter worn limbs really does transform a dreary winter's morning. Next, we have got something different. I've heard of OK. It's a Korean skincare brand. I've received lots of different skincare masks and things in different boxes. This is from the SOS range Soothing Face Lotion with white tea and zinc. And yeah, lightweight moisturising texture. I don't think I've ever tried any skincare products from this brand before. The recommended retail price for this cream is £8. Whether it's the cold weather or our bodies adjusting to a detox or just post-Christmas success showing up on our skin, that's where this Korean innovation comes into its own. Designed for blemish-prone skin, it quickly calms redness, reduces swelling and balances oil, all while gently hydrating. I'm not going to try it. Because I don't have blemished skin anymore. I am on strong medication for polycystic ovary syndrome, and yeah, I keep repeating this. Probably like, yes, Claire, we've heard it for the 100th time. But just in case there's someone new watching this video, the reason I don't have acne anymore is because I'm on medication. If I stop the medication, whoosh, it'll all come back. But I'm assuming anyway, so I'm going to actually keep this and I'm going to gift it to someone. Next we got a mask, and this is by Skimono Beauty Masks, and this is a Total Conditioning Plus, and this is a deeply replenishing serum foot mask packed with shea butter, olive oil, tea tree and chamomile. This is for your feet. And I've not long received one of these in a different box, and I do really like them. I do really like them. I wear them all throughout the night, so I'll put them on my feet, then I'll put socks on top, and then I just sleep in it then. My feet are not great. I walk everywhere barefoot. I don't walk around the area where I live or anything like down the road or anything like that, but I do walk around my house then. So my feet are minging. They're not great. Not great at all. I'm supposed to leave them on for like 15 to 20 minutes, but I always leave it on overnight. The recommended retail price for this foot mask is £10. It says, with no chance of getting a professional pedi for a good few months, we aren't completely to blame. But now it's definitely the time to restart some good habits and get them back in shape before it's time for open toe season again. This serum foot masks makes it very simple. We can just pop them on while we catch up on Netflix and leave them to work their skin softening, heel smoothing, reviving magic. So we got that. And lastly, we got a product by Mud Masky, and this is a hair mask, scalp treatment and miracle shampoo. It's a 3-in-1 formula. It's pH balance, repairs hair, strengthens hair, hydrates hair, moisturizes scalp and dandruff control, and there's 75 mils there. Now I've received quite a few products from Mud Masky in the past, but I'm not sure if I've ever had this. This sounds really good. Hair mask, scalp treatment and a shampoo, a 3-in-1. So the only item in this month's box that is not full size is this little body butter. But anyway, back to this. The recommended retail price for this miracle shampoo is £21.78. January can be a tough time for your hair and scalp. Cold weather can leave your scalp dry. Central heating can leave it itchy. Hair is left damaged from all the overstyling and colouring of the Christmas period. You see where we're going with this one. Step forward this multitasking 3-in-1 wonder. It conditions your scalp and strengthens and repairs your hair, leaving you with nourished, glossy, light feeling locks and a comfortable, healthy scalp again. So how do you use it then? Apply onto wet hair and massage into scalp and hair. Leave in for 1 minute and then rinse thoroughly with water. So I always use shampoo and conditioner separately, and sometimes I use like a scalp scrub type mask beforehand and I leave on for a couple of minutes. But yeah, I wonder what this will be like on my hair. And I always double cleanse my hair as well, so I do 2 lots of shampoos, and it's yeah, £21.78. That won't last me long at all, so maybe it's not a date. I don't know if I've read this. Have I just not taken any notice? Is this, could you use this every time you wash your hair? I tend to wash my hair 3 times a week. So yeah, it depends, doesn't it? Depends on how much you use, I suppose. But yeah, so those are all the items. So I'm just going to gather them all up and I'll add them all up. So these are all the products inside the January Roccabox. The cost of the box is £13.95 and the value comes in at a whopping £132, I think. £32, £33, something like that. Mainly thanks to this £89 product here by Doctor's Formula. So we've got a skin serum, we've got a hair treatment shampoo, we've got a gorgeous body butter, we've got a foot mask, and we've got a day cream. There's no denying that, obviously. You're getting your money's worth here, definitely. I'm going to gift this away to someone because I just think that they would benefit from it more. But yeah, I'm quite impressed with it, especially as we've got nearly all full-size products as well. Yes, the brands, we've seen the brands before, especially Mud Masky and Skimono and OK, etc. We see them a lot in different subscription boxes. I don't mind that as long as we receive like different products. But yeah, I think it's a good box this month. But as always, I'd love to know your thoughts. What do you think of this month's box? What do you think of the products? Are you a subscriber? Are you looking forward to this box, or are you not looking forward to it? Or are you watching this wondering if this is a box for you? All your thoughts and opinions I'd love to know, so please comment down below. And I hope you enjoyed watching. If you did, it'd be lovely if you give me a big thumbs up, and if you haven't done so already, please subscribe to my channel for lots more videos to come. So take care, and I'll speak soon. Bye.